People I like the clean candles, man, the clean charts.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Good
So,
morning.
talk to me, boys.
Back at the tippy top of the high,
Back at the highs, man. Back at
the
the highs
high
of the
high.
range from last week. Looks like we're poking through.
Yeah, we had a huge drop off last time we were in this area.
We
Yeah,
did. We did. So let's see if we can get. This might be where we can get that pull back. But we can see we're making higher lows. This candle, like we just closed right at the high, so
Yeah.
we haven't made a higher high yet.
yeah,
So we need
not
to
above.
close above. So we could get a nice pullback here in this 4 hour.
88.
88. Let's see. From here to here, it's a little
Yeah.
above. But if we draw it from the break, like right here.
Yeah, I don't like how that 30-minute closed. It didn't break all the way through. It's like a weak closure.
We draw it from this candle right here where we
Yeah.
broke this little support.
I see that.
It looks like we're rejecting that one.
Yeah, buy from the New York lows also very, very. That's a 88 from the bottom too.
From the open.
88 from Asia.
Oh, from Asia. Yeah.
I like that more than where we
Yeah,
at.
I like this. I like this right here.
AT that buy you called out yesterday ended up playing out though.
Hey, bro.
I should have held it.
Buy that. I mean, bro, since that dip on Thursday, man, right before Friday, kicked everyone out before it. It's crazy, man. Crazy. She really didn't want anybody to be in that trade at 4 p.m., bro. At 4 p.m.
4 p.m. Last night.
Thursday,
Or
Thursday night, last week. Hit the low, hit the
Right,
low of all lows, and then
yeah.
clear everybody's out, and then took off overnight.
Right before Friday, yeah.
Friday didn't give us much at all. Like stays up there and then push up. Now we're staying up here. You can see the Elliott wave starts um, forming on the 30 minutes. Like one, go up, two, go up, three, one, two, three, four,
There needs to be one more, right?
two, three, four. Yeah. But we are at the top, tippy top of last week high as well. So
excuse me. Yeah, that fib you drew from uh that previous swing, I think Jacob looks like it almost tapped 88 from
Yeah,
I think it was from there, yeah.
it was so close, man.
Yeah.
I mean, if we draw it from here,
Might have to zoom down a little bit.
was that?
Yeah, if you scale down, you could
Oh
see
yeah,
see that area. Yeah, I think I have it at that same zone.
right here.
Let's see how it closes, I guess. The 2 hour looks like it's flipping. 4 hour looks indecisive. 1 hour is currently engulfing the previous 1 hour. So
yeah, just a
yeah,
risky buy in my opinion.
Yeah, we are playing high at the range.
Even though like all the confirmation of this is moving up, but Still kind of risky.
I was referring to the sell-off AD, depending on how the candle closes.
Oh yeah. I mean, I would not look for sell until it violates the 8:30 push this morning.
I guess we wait and see.
That would be 652.
Maybe a little head and shoulders. Retest.
I see what you're saying. Hey, man, that would be nice.
That would be nice. That's too
Mm.
clean though,
I'd
man.
be
That's
willing to
too.
wait for that. It's too good to be true.
Yeah. I think that's. This is my. I'm looking at shapes right now.
Look at that. It's just weak. It's just kind of like a weak bull. I
So
could
it's
be
like,
wrong. I could be wrong. I could be wrong though.
The lower time frame saying. We got 15-minute closure in 8 minutes. Looks like it's holding above that previous
it does.
area of resistance. So we'll see. Ooh. It's Monday though. Still brand new week. So let's go ahead and find some really good opportunities. Set the tone early. If not, no need to force anything.
Yeah,
And
I'm not trying to take anything but 88 on Monday.
just a friendly reminder, the best way to grow an account has and will always be proper risk management. So let's go ahead and wait for clear setups, clean setups, and make sure that we're risking the right amount on them. That way, if they end up not playing out in our favor, we'll be good. All right, we could always make that money back on the next trade and then some. What day was it when we waited 3 hours? Was that Friday? When we were on the stream for like 3 hours looking waiting for a setup?
Yeah, it was Friday. Because it pushed. It already had pushed in the morning.
Yeah, we're looking for shorts on
She
Friday.
was waiting for the
Mm.
pullback. Yeah.
The short didn't really play out like that. It was
Yeah,
struggling. It
Oh yeah,
broke
we hit
down.
that short at the very end.
yeah, it came down to like 19,500 on TradingView. But but no, yeah, you're right. It didn't play out how you wanted it to play out.
It was right here.
Yeah,
It,
it was like
it's
at
right
the
Yeah.
there for
top.
the rest of the day.
Like
Yeah,
it clipped his hand.
I think it was that first red candle.
Yeah, it was right here.
Yeah.
And then it just played around.
Yeah. It's valid. It's valid. You know, we at the high. We at the high. It's valid.
Made a little
Oh
money,
yeah,
a little money.
yeah. It
But
was just
right
ridiculous
now,
that we were looking for this thing to come back down here.
right now it's a little iffy though. It's not the same.
Hey, baby, she coming back. Hey,
Yeah, bro. Just waiting for that Asia low.
She's waking on the 15 and the 30. Let's see.
But yeah, the thing is the candle is getting lower. Like the highs again, the lower highs are forming. Yeah, even on the fives. Let's see. The wicks are forming though. Would love to see this at New York lows before she takes off.
Excuse me. Oh, oh. 1 hour looks like it's flipping.
Looking good. 3 minutes till this 15 close.
I like these wicks.
We're just waiting to see, honestly, how it closes. That last 4 hour was bullish. Last daily candle was bullish.
Yeah. It is daily starting to kind of poke out of this range.
Damn, she doesn't want to give us a pullback, man. Come on, man.
The 15-minute flipped closed bullish.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
1 minute.
Yeah.
Oh,
Came back.
30-minute also. Looks like it's bullish.
Did it come back and test this 8-8? Nah.
I want to see this 15 engulf the last 15.
This one or this one?
The one right now engulf the last 15. Yeah,
I just closed right at it.
this is right at it. See, she's tricky, man. I'm telling you, she's
Yeah.
very tricky. tricky, tricky, tricky.
The 30 minute could close above.
Yeah, now the thing is you gotta wait. When she closes like that, you gotta wait more wait. Like, all right, bro.
Oh shit! Still looks like she's sitting right below that 1 hour, 1 hour
Yeah.
area of support.
Yeah.
If you,
You're seeing the same thing I'm seeing.
honest, if you zoom to the left a little bit or a little bit further, yeah, like right at the bodies of that area.
Right here.
No, the support. A
All
little
right.
bit more left. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna honestly wait. Candle closures are looking bullish, but we're at an area where we had a reaction in the past, so I'm gonna need some more confluence in order to do anything with this.
Just a better price, to be honest. Just a better price. It's so high up.
Yeah, we need a discount.
Where's your SL is gonna be? Ask yourself what's your SL if you're entering the trade.
It have to be down here.
Yeah, it's got to be below like that 830 push because you're
Yeah.
still playing within that range or the 930. The 930 candle was 200 points almost.
Excuse me. Oh man, what a boring morning. It's not always gonna be exciting, I guess.
No.
I start trading at like 2 a.m.
You said you started trading at 2 a.m.?
I might have to start live streaming at 2 a.m. Where the
Yeah.
app is at.
Oh no, 2 p.m. 2 p.m. is the
2 a.m. London.
They're about to start open up. They're
Asia.
gonna open up Nasdaq for 24 hours. So there'll definitely be more volume during London
I'm,
session for sure.
I'll probably go insane if we do that.
Yeah.
I like having the market close on the weekend. It gives me some time to, get back to reality.
Yeah,
Can't
for
escape it.
real.
24/7 is really gonna be some addictive shit.
24/7,
Now you're an addict.
man, it's madness.
You're an addict. I mean, we are an
Exactly.
addict. We are addicts.
Holding positions in profit. Let's go, Mike. Just cashed out on 400 point move on US 30. Let's go. 400 points. That sounds amazing. On a Monday too.
Monday.
Oh, this is crazy. The pardon is gonna be gone
The what's
because
gonna be
the pardon, like all the pardons that Joe Biden did before he left, like the day before, 2 days before.
yeah.
Yeah, then
They
they're
denied the
not gonna
pardons.
count it. They're not gonna count it because they said it's auto pen.
Uh,
Who did he pardon?
Like Fauci and the Fauci entire family actually, and Biden entire family, his son, his wife.
That's crazy.
That's crazy, bro.
bro, auto pin is crazy. That's some crazy shit right there.
Pardon your family is like the craziest part. It's like if that's not corruption, I don't know what is, bro.
I ain't gonna lie, I probably do the same thing though.
He's looking out for the fan, bro. But
Got to.
Uh,
shit,
Damn, we just been in this zone for like an hour. Yeah, for like 45 minutes, I want to say.
so now it's just like whoever trying to be a president, they just like do bad things, and then when they get to president, they just pardon. Kind of crazy.
Didn't Trump pardon Kodak?
he did.
Yeah, man.
How that?
He free Kodak. I mean, every president usually pardons a few people before they leave,
Yeah,
but Biden had the most out of any president ever.
really. Okay.
Yeah,
I don't know. She's still sitting right underneath the bodies of that previous 1 hour zone.
Mm-hmm. Doesn't look like a clean like breakthrough.
You said you need a clean breakthrough?
Yeah,
For
it's
sure.
not too clean.
No, I need to see a new higher high and then a new higher low
Like if the eight,
above 19.8.
yeah, if the 830 like pushes like that, and like all the candle after that just kept going up, like then I would have more like
Faith.
faith in the going higher today. But
yeah.
kind of rocky over here, taking it slow. Like with the
Yeah, if it,
drop,
I want to see it come down to that 88 y'all have marked up, honestly.
yeah, just
Bro,
like
like
that will be. I think that's gonna be like my only position for the day. I'm looking for a buy back at that 88.
Yeah. How long is it gonna take? Is the question.
Going to take a while.
The way it's moving, yeah. It's taking some time. Just need my $50 a day, boys. I ended up closing that buy yesterday, T. Made a few bucks on it, but I don't know. It was a little risky.
oh, you took a buy last night?
Oh, you weren't on the call.
Oh,
No, we were on
or right at the market open or some shit.
Oh, at the outlet.
yeah, we got on a call. T was shouting out plays.
Hey,
T, I didn't question you, bro. Didn't even question your call out. You
So
told me
I
to
was
jump
like,
off a bridge, bro. I'll do it right now.
finance.
But he says so now.
It was the whisper, like finance.
it was the wind whispering to you, right?
Like, huh? Huh?
At the
What?
door.
Finance? Okay.
I had a dream.
I'm looking for any sign to buy NAS. When I heard that, I reconfirmed everything.
It all makes sense.
Sometimes I'll
Okay.
sneeze and buy NAS on accident. All right, 30 minutes until the 1 hour closure. We got 3 minutes until the next 30-minute closure. Four-hour closure in 2 hours and 30 minutes. He said he pardoned his son.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that was
the
very
only thing that I can see that would push us up is the end of the war in Ukraine.
Mike's saying there's a ceasefire, I think.
yeah,
Yeah, if that holds though.
yeah. But I know Ukraine was being cooperative with it, but Russia wasn't really paying attention to it. Right now we see Nvidia's down like 2%, Tesla's down 5%, Apple's like at break even right now.
And the ChatGPT said it's looking probable for short stuff. That's what it was saying.
ChatGPT did say that.
Yeah.
We recruited an expert mind in this field, you know.
It's all the minds put together.
Yeah,
Working with the algos, working with the AIs.
the algo. You're asking the algo what to do.
It's like asking an oracle what to do over here. You guys got
Yes,
the
bro.
magic,
Yo,
got
what's
the
good,
magic
like,
8 ball over here, trying to shake it up.
Asking
Bro, it's
Jarvis,
free.
everyone.
It's free. It's free.
What's up, boys? Good morning. How y'all doing?
what's good, bro?
Wonderful. How about yourself?
I'm good, bro. I'm good. Hoping to see this retracement to that Asia low to buy this thing right back up.
Yes, sir. That's what we're waiting for right here.
Oh, imagine that. We're all on the same page. How crazy.
Isn't that wild?
You guys have a good weekend?
Yeah.
Do
No
anything,
complaints over here.
do anything fun?
Nothing.
Kept it calm.
Yeah.
Bowling. Honestly, nothing crazy.
Yeah, for
Yeah.
sure.
But here, just give me a sec. I'm gonna step away.
Do your thing, bro.
All right, Bryce, keep talking, bro. She's
Keep
moving.
talking. Yeah, bro. That was like last time. Oh, man.
She was up here the entire time. Now she's moving, bro. As soon as you get on.
For
Dude,
real.
I'm telling you, I just got that magic, bro. It's all it is.
Yeah, we've been waiting for her to move down.
I know, bro. It's been slow that morning.
Like, why is she still up here? We're missing Bryce. That's why.
That's why this is what it was, bro.
Big price.
What it was.
All right, look at that.
Do we have news today? I didn't even look at the news yet.
Yeah, we had some at earlier in the morning and then at like 10, but nothing.
Not 10. Yeah.
We do have some news this week though. We got interest rates.
Yeah.
So I think that's Wednesday.
Yeah, they'll get it moving for sure.
Yeah.
Man. Freaking beat up, boys, and tired.
Eat
Did you
up.
uh, did you hit the gym this weekend, Bryce?
Yeah, I worked out on Saturday. Sunday's my rest day. So, but yeah, hit the gym. Actually went to like a couple different concerts over the weekend as well too. That was super fun.
Nice, nice.
Yeah, yeah, it was a good time. Went to like the reggae Rise Up concerts down here. So like a bunch of like more like reggae music. It was fun. Tribal Siege, Revolution, stuff like that.
Nice. Yeah, I bet you there's concerts like every weekend down in
Bro,
Florida.
every single weekend you can find something to do down here in the St. Pete area,
Yeah.
Tampa area. It's crazy. So you can find stuff to do on the weekdays.
For real.
Yeah, it's crazy. You gotta have self control.
But it must be nice just to be able to have that opportunity all the time.
It's nice, bro. It's nice. You know what I mean? There's always an option if you want it.
Right.
It's so different from being in Missouri. That's for damn sure.
Yeah. Yeah. I bet.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, it's
It's
just been raining here all weekend.
hell yeah. Yeah, it rained a little bit yesterday, but it wasn't bad. There's storms coming through. Trying to think, we're Puerto Cartagena's this weekend and Puerto Rico's next weekend, right?
Yes, yes.
Just waiting for this at the 88.
Let's get this pool back. We
19,600.
really didn't close I mean it closed bearish, but we didn't close below.
Yeah.
Week
15-minute close below the wicks, but
is all week bullish. You know this. It wants to tap the 88, bro. There's no other explanation.
it does. We just gotta be patient. It's the
I
magnet.
know. I saw that some people in the chat saying that they were taking sells this morning.
Yeah, well the sales were they look pretty good because we're at the top of the range. So
Yeah.
um the sales did look
I mean,
did
she
look
was moving like for like 5 minutes up and down, up and down.
yeah. Yeah, on the 5-minute we were getting like this like choppy. So if you were
Yeah,
selling at the top, definitely could have caught some. And then we just broke through. So
for sure.
but waiting for those Asia lows, those have been the
It might be one of those late afternoon plays again, you know? It seems like
yeah,
Monday kind of seems to happen quite a bit like that.
for real, for real.
Where it's just kind of slow, get one little, up and down spike at the market open.
That 2 p.m. volume.
Yeah, then yep, I agree. 2 p.m. usually seems to be the sweet spot on Mondays.
2 p.m. volume, just push it all back up, back to like the 9:30.
Yeah, but they,
And you look at it, it's like, where the price move? Oh, nothing.
Well, now we're playing right at the open. But if we can close below this right here, I could see us coming back down here.
yeah, agree. This is always the boring part of trading to talk about. Just set and wait.
For real.
These are the moments when you go in heavier and heavier.
Yeah. Yeah, no, for real. No, when you're bored, it's like you just want to click buttons. You just
Yep.
keep clicking that button.
No, 100%.
Build a little more anxiety.
Yeah. But just, if you gotta sit on your hands, sit on your hands.
Yeah, when's the date for the next masterclass, Jacob? Put it on my calendar here.
It's April. Let me look at my calendar.
Should be April 4th.
April 4th, yeah.
4th? Okay.
4th through the 7th. And then we have a webinar
This
this
week.
Wednesday, the 19th at 8 p.m. Eastern time, which is free. I know we had a good turnout for the last webinar.
Yeah, we definitely did. Listen to Christine and all them speak as well too. It was awesome. You know, like stories and everything. Really cool.
My God, watching this is putting me to sleep.
Bro, for real. Oh.
Do that. Come on down. Come on down.
Come right back up.
Calm down. 88.
Think this might take longer than we expected for it to get back into that
Yeah.
zone.
Oh,
Yeah.
my.
I'm saying 2 p.m. Eastern time.
Yeah, that's what Bryce was saying too.
Yeah,
I'm thinking the same thing.
I think in
Just like
4 hours
last week.
we'll see it at that zone.
Yeah, the 4 hour got yeah, we got another like 2.5 hours once that next 4 hour opens up.
Oh, the 88 from 8:30 got smacked. She running.
Yeah.
It was that 88 from 8:30.
This little range right here we're playing in.
Yo, can you boys hear me?
I can hear you now.
Dude, my thing has been messed up this whole dang time.
Oh, damn.
I'm sitting here trying to figure it out. I don't know what's going on.
What'd you do differently?
I don't know. I just like was unmuting myself and it wouldn't like you guys couldn't hear me. It was
I
weird.
think
So
you, I think you just gotta hit the unmute button.
I think it was. You know what? I think you're right. I think that was the problem. Yeah, man, that's why you make the big bucks, though.
Are you on your phone or your laptop, Bryce?
I'm on the Zoom on my phone.
Uh,
Yeah, that's probably why.
Are you wearing
Boys,
headphones?
I don't
AirPods?
think this. I don't think this play is gonna happen until later this afternoon. To be honest with you.
I'm thinking the same thing, bro.
Yeah,
Um,
it's just been literally consolidating in this
yeah.
little area. It's up and down, up and down.
If y'all want, we could possibly throw a new link at 2 members. If you
Yeah,
guys would like that, we'll be happy to get on
Down for that
a
too.
new Zoom call.
yeah. I'd say. I personally say that would probably be the smartest move. I mean, sitting here and watch paint dry.
For
Exactly.
sure.
You
We
know,
still
which
got
is
like 130
Yeah.
points. This thing is
yeah,
just up and down.
yeah. You got to quite a
Have
bit of
faith.
so.
I think that might be a good idea, Bryce.
Yeah, absolutely, man, for sure. Let's just let's
Believe.
throw the Zoom link a little bit later on. Maybe if we're feeling generous, we'll hop on YouTube and catch that trade live.
I don't think I'm feeling generous.
Believe.
But
I'll I'll talk you into it. Oh, it's okay.
whatever Christine wants.
Whatever Christine wants.
But no, I agree with you, Bryce.
What should we do, Christine? Tell us.
Should we live stream on YouTube or not?
Yeah, let's get a
Consensus
member
vote.
member vote.
Yeah, let's have the members vote.
I think you guys have given enough. I think they need to make a decision and we need to do it for members only.
Ooh.
Oh, dang, dude.
Exclusive. I like it.
Yeah.
Because of that, we will definitely send a link to the
Christine
VIP
only.
community. Christine
Christine only.
Yeah, Christine's the only one that answered. Let's do it.
Awesome. So I guess we'll follow up to see how it moves until that point, until we come up to 2. Maybe we'll send the link earlier. It all depends on price, but yeah. Are there any questions though from anyone that's on the call? Why we're waiting? Why we're deciding to get off now?
Yeah, there's nothing.
Yeah. Maybe before you hop off, break down the trade one more time, what we're looking at exactly. Or
Oh
whoever
yeah.
has the Jacob, whoever has the screen.
Yeah. We're looking for so we're seeing price pushing off these Asia lows from last night. We broke above these previous highs right here, making a higher high, and we are slowly rejecting this previous high on the 4 hour, like right here. Okay, so we're waiting for a pullback back down to these previous lows where we previously pushed off. This 886 setup looks enticing as sell underneath structure. And yeah, we're just slowly making our way back down.
Beautiful.
When that trade hits and is another winner, that'd be what, 10 out of 11 now or something like that?
Something like that.
Yeah,
There's-
we're winning so much, we just
Yeah,
stop.
lost count.
Something like that.
Anyways,
Good stuff,
Yep.
fellas.
Yeah, thank you everyone for joining. Unfortunately, there weren't any moves this morning, so we're just gonna have to wait and see. If you guys have any questions, as always, feel free to reach out. Hope everyone has an amazing rest of their day, and God bless.
Later, boys.
All right, stream is done. Ending
See
the
y'all later.
Zoom. All right, everyone, have a blessed rest of your day. Practice proper risk